Okay, in today's video I'm going to share with you some basic exercises from my STS Cerebral Training System flow, and very simple stuff. We're going to learn it step by step. Like I said, this is the first one, easily done. Basically what you do, just squat down, arms in front, not too far, not too close, and just lean forward, bring your arms, push back, but you don't go straight up. You recover the center position, the squat position, and then you just slowly gradually, go up. And again, we'll do that again. One, always recovering the center, okay? When you master that, that's going to take you a couple of minutes. And the trick there, seriously, is not to reach too much forward. Keep it small first. Then you're going to do the same to the side. The side, you're going to notice that kind of stay facing forward all the time. As you can see in the second one I reached too far out, and then that's really hard to recover the center. Basically the same thing from the front and side one. You just have to keep it shorter, don't go too wide, and push. When you recover the center, you stand up again. And then when you get that all together, which seriously is not that difficult, you can put it all together and it will look something like this. I really enjoy the flow. Breathe, pull, out, push, recover the center, slowly up. Okay, we enjoy. Now, the fourth one, and that one will be the backward one. Very simple stuff here, even easier than the previous one. And it's going to be this. And the same thing apply here, you see, shorter, so step back, not too wide, just short, not too open your arms, keep a little bit closer, narrowing, the whole thing will look something like this. Beautiful move. basic stuff from the STS flow training. Have a go, train, concentrate, do it slow, take your time, you know, do anything here, you know, to get a big muscle or anything, not even cardio, just movement and awareness. We talk about that a little bit more in the future. For now, just really concentrate on those very, very simple exercises and make it as nice, clean, as beautiful as possible. More than anything, enjoy it. Really take in, you know, flow. Find that little, like a little dance, like a little choreography thing. And if that seems too easy, don't worry, my friend. We get a little bit more complicated than that, but always fun. See you later. Ciao.